This is the new Xdeep mask, frameless design. It is supposed to be the best mask ever made, but let's see how it stacks against the competition and my trusty M1 from Hollis. First, a quick disclaimer. Xdeep did give me the mask for free and I get to keep it if I want to, but no money change hand. Xdeep does not see the video beforehand and they do not have any input over what I'm saying. As a professional, you're always diving with the same equipment. When you find something that works in your system, you tend to keep it for really long. And my mask has been the same for the last 6 years, 5-6 years. Cold water, warm water, tech diving, wreck diving. I've been putting that mask through everything and I kind of love it, but I've had a few quirks with it that have always been there. I constantly have a little bit of water in my nose, especially when I have my head down. I can see a little bit of water going in. Not the end of the world, but I'm diving rebreathers, and if I can save on changing gas volume, always happy. I need to tied it a little bit more than what I would like. That means that I have often a mark, especially here on this side of the face, and it's quite uncomfortable and everybody sees that I've been doing scuba diving after diving. It's not great. I also have a second mask that is the same M1 that I bought in 2021. And even after a few hundred dives, it is still fogging a lot and therefore quite a pain to use, especially when I'm in a cave and I need to switch masks. So when I tried this new mask, it took me a little bit of time to get used to it, especially that distance between the glass and your eye is shorter on the Xdeep Frameless than it is on the M1. And that creates a bit of a different magnification. That just put me off a teeny tiny bit at the beginning. But after a few dives, just everything went fine. The field of view of the mask is actually, it's great. It's really nice, especially that it's improved on the bottom part of the mask. That means that when I am on the rebreather, I can actually just look down and I don't have to move my head down and up, and I can keep track of what's happening with my eyes up and down while looking at my instruments. That's great, I like it. I'm super happy to report this mask fits better. Especially on my untrimmed beard. You can see that I actually didn't trim my beard on purpose, just to see if the mask would leak. And while I still required kind of a tight fit, it was more comfortable and I had zero water. And when I say zero, is absolutely no water, unless I really wanted to clear the mask or put water and remove it. That was only when I wanted water that I had water. It is also more comfortable than my M1, and my M1 is already really comfy. As usual with every new mask, this one fogs. You can see a little bit on the side. Luckily with a little bit of anti-fog and a bit of burning. Disclaimer, I am not advising you to burn your mask. In theory, you're not supposed to do it. But I've been doing mine for the last years, never had an issue, and I'm gonna continue doing it. This is almost like fog-free. Only a little bit in the center for now, but in a few dives, I'm pretty sure this is gonna be fog-free, which is really cool for a mask. One thing that I didn't really like is actually the band. This band, I think it's thin, and while it still looks like quality, it is a quality rubber. It is still, I don't know, it feels like it could break easily, and I don't like that. In theory, I put on all my masks kind of like a neoprene cover. It's nicer for the head and it's nicer to put in the back. But yeah, using it without it, I'm not a huge fan. On the other hand, I absolutely love the satisfying clicks that you have from the mask when you just like, yeah, this feels like quality, this feels like control, precision. So big +1 for this. I just don't like rubber back. I think it's just me. The quality of vision, I haven't seen a big difference between the M1, the Hollis M1, and the Xdeep. I do believe that this is because the M1 is also using really good quality material. I believe it is Saint-Gobain crystal something. I'll put it here somewhere, what glass it is. I haven't seen a difference, which is a good thing. That means that it's absolutely amazing glass. But I definitely saw a difference when I took one of the cheaper masks from the dive center. That was day and night. You could see really like a bit clearer, less tint. Like you see a tiny bit of a green tint on masks. And I'm really happy that I have this mask now, especially for photography. You want to have the clearest mask, distortion-free mask. Will I keep this mask and switch everything to the Xdeep Frameless? Yes, I'm actually gonna buy another one with my own earned money. I like the mask, I like the fit, I like how it feels. It is a little bit lighter, it is easier even than my M1 to clear. I like the glass quality. I think for long dives this is going to be really, really great. I'm going to retire my M1s. I'm going to still keep one as a backup mask for now, just that I get a bit more dive with it and see the long-term review. If you are interested by more photography or underwater adventures, you should click here. I'm pretty sure you're going to love this video.